Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix AdSense error. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix disapproved AdSense account. So guys, when applying for your YouTube channel monetization, you'll be asked in the second step to actually sign up for a Google AdSense account or actually associate your old AdSense account. During that second step, most persons actually face difficulties because their AdSense account is being disapproved. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix that problem. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, whenever your AdSense account is disapproved, YouTube and Google AdSense normally send an email to notify you. So guys, the email looks like this. This is from YouTube, and this one here is from Google AdSense. So guys, now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this problem. Most times this problem is as a result of duplicate account. What that means is that you might have created an AdSense account before you actually applied for YouTube monetization. Google AdSense does not accept multiple accounts. You can't have more than one AdSense account. You can only have one AdSense account under the same payee name. Duplicate AdSense accounts created through YouTube will not be approved, and monetization will be turned off for that associated YouTube channel. So guys, if Google AdSense and YouTube sent you an email like that, that means there's a likelihood that you have a duplicate AdSense account. So guys, the way to find out if you actually have a duplicate AdSense account is to go through all your Google accounts. All the Google account that you have, I believe you must have multiple Google accounts. What you have to do is to check through all those Google accounts, go to the Gmail of those Google accounts and check for emails. If you see emails sent by Google AdSense account to those Google accounts, to those Gmail, that means that Google account has been created Google AdSense account for. That means that Google account has a Google AdSense account. So guys, what you have to do, just go over to the Gmail of those Google accounts. There you'll be able to find out if actually you've used those Google accounts to create an AdSense account. So guys, check through this, check through all your Google accounts, then you'll be able to find out. So guys, the second reason why your AdSense account was actually disapproved may be as a result of the fact that you created your AdSense account away from YouTube. If you're applying for YouTube monetization, the AdSense account you must create must be through YouTube Studio. If you create it using the AdSense website, it will not work. When starting a new AdSense account, only create one through YouTube Studio. Doing so on another site such as AdSense homepage will not work. So guys, these two reasons I mentioned might be the reason why your AdSense account was being disapproved by Google AdSense and YouTube. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can fix this problem. Let me go over to my YouTube Studio right away. Let me go over to my YouTube app. So guys, now you can see I'm in my YouTube Studio. Let me show you guys how you can fix duplicate accounts. There are actually two ways to go about this. It's either you close the old AdSense account that you have and use the most recent or the new AdSense account that you open, or you close and cancel the recent AdSense account that you have and use the old AdSense account that you've created before now, the old one that you've created. So guys, these are the two ways that you can actually solve this problem. So guys, the one that actually worked for me was actually to close the recent AdSense account that I created and actually use the old one that I've created before. So guys, that's the one that worked for me, but you can also do it the other way around. Any method that you choose will work out fine. And also guys, apart from these two methods, you can decide to close all your AdSense account that you've created from all your Google accounts. You can decide to close all the AdSense accounts and then sign up for another AdSense account here from this YouTube Studio. That will also work out fine. You can even decide to create a new Google account and then use the Google account to create a new AdSense account here from this your YouTube Studio. You can do that, it's going to work out fine. Whichever method that you want to use will work out fine. All you have to do is to make sure you close all your recent and your old AdSense account. Just make sure you close them before you can go ahead to create a new AdSense account from a new Google account. So guys, now for me to be able to close the recent and new AdSense account that I created, what I have to do now is to tap on where it is written Fix Adsense. You can see there on the right hand, the arrow is pointing at it. You can see there Fix Adsense. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. It's going to take us to our AdSense account, the most recent AdSense account that we created, that we used in applying for this YouTube monetization, and it was disapproved. So guys, now you can see this is the recent AdSense account that I opened, that I used in applying for my YouTube monetization. As you can see here, what is written here, getting your AdSense for YouTube account ready. You can see what is written there. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom in. So guys, can see what is written there. Your account wasn't approved. You need to fix some issues before you can use AdSense for YouTube. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is actually to check that unchecked box. You can see it there. You can see it there. The arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, after that, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written resubmit. You can see that blue box there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written there. Now we are reviewing your info. So guys, the next step now to take now is to actually refresh this page, and for you to do that you have to tap on the 3 horizontal dots at the top right corner. You can see there, so let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step now is to tap on the refresh icon. You can see it there at the top right corner. So let me tap on it. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the page is refreshing. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now the next step now is to actually close this AdSense account, and for you to do that you have to tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see it there. Let me zoom in a little bit so you see it clearly. So guys can see it there. So let me tap on it right away. You can see it. So guys, now the next step now to take now towards cancelling or closing this AdSense account is to tap on where you see account. You can see that that's the second to the last option. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now under the account, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written settings. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now under settings, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written account information. You can see it there, so let me tap on it. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now you can see it's loading our account information. So guys, now you can see this is the account information of the AdSense account. So guys, now for you to actually close this AdSense account, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written close account. Let me zoom in a little bit so you see it clearly. So guys can see there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here, closing your account. So let me zoom in so that you see it clearly. Let me zoom in. So guys, now you can see what is written here. The next step that you have to take now is to check that unchecked box. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now the final step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written close my account. You can see there on the right hand side, you can see the arrow pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Thanks for using AdSense for YouTube. You have successfully closed your account. You can see it. Let me zoom in a little bit again. You can see it. Thanks for using AdSense for YouTube. You have successfully closed your account. So guys, now you see you've closed our AdSense account. So guys, now the next important step that you need to take now is actually to close your payment profile. You have to close the payment profile ID of this AdSense account. And for you to do that now, what you have to do now is to go over to your Google account. You have to go over to your Google Manage account. So let me go over to my Google account right away. So guys, now let me cancel out of this. Let me go back to my YouTube Studio app so I can go over to my Google account. Let me go back. So guys, now you can see I'm on my YouTube Studio now. So let me tap on my Google profile icon. You can see there at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now for you to actually go over to your Google account and manage it, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written Google account. So let me go over there now. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, remember that what we want to do now is to actually cancel or close the payment profile ID of that AdSense account that we just closed. So guys, now the next step to take now is to slide to the left. You can see that place there. You can see it. That's a slider. You slide to the left. So now what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written payment subscriptions. You can see there payments and subscriptions. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written manage payment methods. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it right away. So guys, under the payment center, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step to take now is to tap on settings. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see this is my payment profile. You can see. So guys, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards to the bottom. So guys, now the next step now to take now is to tap on where it is written close payments profile. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, here you're going to be required to input the password of your Google account to be sure you're the owner. So guys, let me go ahead now to input my password. So guys, once you're done inputting your password, then you tap on next. You can see there, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see where it has brought us to. You can see what is written there, closing your payment profile about your services. After closing your payment profile, you will immediately lose the ability to view your transaction history. You will also lose access to any payment services linked to this profile. So guys, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to read through all of this if you have the time. The next step to take now is to scroll downwards. Then what you have to do now is to choose why you are actually closing this payments profile. So guys, now let me tap on that drop down icon there. You can see where the arrow is pointing at to choose why I'm actually closing this payment profile. So let me tap on the drop down icon. So guys, now you can see the list of the reasons. What you have to do now is to choose one of them. So guys, let me go ahead now to choose one of it. Let me choose the second to the last, which is I don't want to give a reason. So let me tap on it. So guys, now after you choose a reason, the next step to take now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on it right away. You can see down below the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now finally what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written close payment profile. You can see there below the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, can see now I've been able now to close the payment profile ID of this AdSense account. So guys, now the next step now is to go over to your YouTube studio. So let me go over to my YouTube studio right away. So guys, now we're going to get a final solution to this problem. So guys, now remember, now we have been able now to close and cancel our AdSense account and be able to close our payment profile ID as well. So guys, now the next step now is to actually change the AdSense account that is associated with this YouTube channel. So guys, remember that we closed the new and recent AdSense account that we created when we were trying to apply for YouTube monetization. So guys, what you have to do now is to actually select the old AdSense account that you have, the one that you created knowingly or unknowingly even before applying for your YouTube monetization. So guys, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to change the association. So guys, for you to actually change the association, for you to actually select the old account that you've created before, what you have to do now is to actually tap on where it is written change account. So let me tap on this right away. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now I can see what is written here. They're asking us a question: do you have an AdSense account? What you have to do is to choose the first one, which is yes, I have an AdSense account. Remember, you have an old account you've created before. So guys, let me tap on it already. You can see that's the first option. You can decide to choose the second option, which is written no, I need to create one. Whichever one you decide to select, the first one or the second one, they will take you to the same place. They will take you to the next step. So guys, let me tap on the first one now. You can see it there. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see what is written here. They're asking us to choose a Google account. What you have to do now is to choose that Google account that you used in creating that your old AdSense account. So guys, let me go ahead now to choose it. So guys, can see I've selected it. So guys, now you can see it's directing us to AdSense. So guys, now you can see where it has brought us to. You can see the Google account that we selected. I can see what is written there, your existing Google publisher account. So guys, what I have to do now is to scroll downwards. Let me scroll downwards to the bottom. Then the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written accept association. You can see it there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now immediately now you're going to see that it's going to associate our AdSense account to our YouTube channel. So guys, now let's just wait for a few while. So guys, now you can see it has been done. They said redirecting you back to YouTube Studio. So guys, now you're going to see it's going to redirect us back to our YouTube Studio app. So guys, now you can see what is written there. The second step is in progress. You can let me read what is written there. Your AdSense account is being created and associated. The approval and association process usually takes few days or several days, but in some cases it can take up to 2 weeks to 3 weeks. So guys, now you can see I've been able to show you guys how you can correct this step 2 error in the process of your YouTube monetization application. So guys, now this is how you can actually fix your disapproved AdSense account. This is how it's done. I'm going to be coming up with other videos on how to actually fix this problem. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that whenever I release those videos, you're gonna get notified. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in my next upload. Bye bye. Peace.